Functional English, Unit 2, Seeking Confirmation. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on Functional English, AIOULMS. In this lecture, we will explore Unit 2, which focuses on seeking confirmation. Seeking confirmation is all about verifying or clarifying information to ensure accuracy. Let's begin by understanding how we ask and confirm details in English. For example, consider this dialogue between a reporter and a police officer. The reporter asks, "So you have a description?" This is a statement-based confirmation question. Now, let's move on to types of confirmation questions. Statement-based questions. These are not traditional questions, but statements that seek confirmation. Example, he just walked away. This actually means, did he just walk away? Tag questions. These are short questions added at the end of a statement to confirm or agree. If the statement is positive, the tag is negative. Example, she is coming, isn't she? If the statement is negative, the tag is positive. Example, you don't like ice cream, do you? Now, let's discuss an important grammar concept, the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The present perfect describes actions completed in the past, but connected to the present. Structure, has, have, plus past participle. Examples, I have completed my homework. She has just arrived. Uses, when the time period has not finished. Example, I have seen 3 movies this week. When the time is not mentioned. Example, he has called you. For recent actions. Example, Maria has just left. With for and since for duration. Examples, I have lived here for 5 years. They have worked here since 2010. Let's practice with some exercises. Exercise 1. Rewrite these statements as questions. You have completed the task becomes, have you completed the task? She has left the office becomes, has she left the office? Exercise 2. Add tag questions. He didn't steal the money, did he? She is your sister, isn't she? To summarize, today we covered the importance of seeking confirmation, statement-based and tag questions, the rules and uses of the present perfect tense. Thank you for your attention. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you can easily access more lectures. Your support keeps us going and ensures you never miss an update. See you in the next session.